Check out this customer's car. He installed our 1967 to 69 LED Camaro headlights. Unlike cheaper conversion headlights, these 67 to 69 Camaro LED headlights use a real glass lens for crystal clear headlight output and long durability. This kit includes United Pacific conversion headlights for high and low beams with LED bulbs. These are plug-and-play bulbs with no wiring or additional parts to mount. They also have an adjustable beam pattern which helps them work much better than stock appearing headlights. They fit the stock headlight buckets with no modifications, but will need slight trimming to the metal behind the buckets. You have the option to add new hardware. This includes the 6 screws that attach the trim ring to the bucket, 4 adjuster screws, 4 adjuster plastic nuts, and 2 springs. It is everything you need for both sides. All hardware is brand new. Alright, here is how to find these easily on our website. This is what the homepage looks like when you go to our website. You can scroll down and just click on the first photo that says LED Headlight Kit. Or if you go back to the main page, you can click on Lighting under Categories on the far right. That will open up this page and it is the first option. Or you can go to the top, hover over the year of your car, hover over lighting, and then click on Camaro headlights. And that will take you to the page that shows all the headlight options we have available. Here is the drop-down menu where you will select if you would like hardware or not. And that's it, pretty easy. As always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and y'all have a great day.